All right, land.
Because it's got battery left, that's the only reason.
Just keep flying then. Get right out here and let me see it real quick.
Yeah, go for it.
I'll go really low though.
Get some good film. I keep saying I'm gonna leave it in. I know every time I'm like,
Is he high or what?
Now it's perfect.
Where are I can't see him.
I'm low enough. You don't have to worry about me. I can hit the deck.
that's awesome. Did you get it?